Want to automate screening interviews, sales discovery calls, or customer support conversations? Fireflies Voice Agents handle real conversations for you. Note that this feature is available only on paid plans. From your dashboard, click Voice Agents on the left sidebar. You'll see an option to Try Live. Go ahead and click that to test how voice agents work yourself. Below that, you'll see pre-built templates for different use cases: screening interview agents for HR, discovery call agents for sales, customer support agents, user research agents, etc. You can use these templates or click the Custom Agent button to create your own from scratch. Let's walk through setting one up. We'll use the screening interview agent as an example. For screening interviews specifically, we have one-click setup. Just select the role you're hiring for from the drop-down, and it autofills the questions automatically. We'll have this support for other agent types soon. Now you'll see the setup interface with questions, knowledge, and instructions already pre-filled based on the role you selected. You can use these as is or tweak them to match your specific needs. Below that, you'll see the knowledge and instructions for your agent. Under the knowledge section, you can either type directly in the text box or click Add Knowledge Base for a more comprehensive knowledge base. If you click Add Knowledge Base, you'll see any pre-existing knowledge bases you've created, or you can click New Base right here. Alternatively, you can access knowledge bases from your settings page as well. In the knowledge base creation screen, you can upload or drag files in various supported formats. Just drag and drop or browse for files. You can also add any URL, and there's an option to include subpages from that URL. Once you've added everything, click Create. Back in your agent setup, you can select one knowledge base or multiple knowledge bases. This becomes your agent's brain. Any question asked by the candidate, customer, or participant, as long as it's covered in your knowledge base, the voice agent will be able to answer it accurately. Before finalizing, click on the Settings tab next to the Setup tab. Here you can control important configurations. Under Visibility, you can toggle whether to allow members of your workspace to discover and edit this voice agent. Under Meeting Privacy, choose who can view meeting notes and transcripts using the drop-down. For Send Recap Email, choose who receives the session recap email from the drop-down. Under Participant Info required before talking to agent, check the boxes for what information you want to collect. You can require name, email, or both. Note that if email is selected, users will need to verify with an OTP before joining. Next, on the right side, you'll see a preview panel. You can change the name of your agent at the top, customize the voice from the drop-down, select the language, we support over 30 languages, and set the session duration anywhere from 5 to 40 minutes. Click Preview to test how it sounds.
Hello there, I'm your voice agent from Fireflies. How can I help you?
Note that running voice agents calls uses 1 credit per minute.
Once you're happy with everything, click Create Agent at the bottom.
After creating, you can try it yourself first by clicking the agent link or click Copy Link to share it with participants. When participants click the link, they'll be asked to enter their name and email. Then they'll receive an OTP to verify. Once they enter the OTP, they can start talking to the agent immediately.
Hi, Westin. Thanks for joining. How are you doing today?
Yeah, fine.
Glad to hear that. This will be a structured conversation where I'll ask a few questions to understand your experience and fit for the role. There's no rush.
To manage all your voice agents, click My Voice Agents at the top of the Voice Agents page. Here you'll see all the voice agents in your workspace and which ones are active. You can simply toggle the switch to deactivate any agent, click the copy icon to share the link,
Click the 3 dots icon to edit, clone it to create a duplicate, or click the Delete tab to delete it.
You can also see how many calls each agent has conducted by simply hovering over the agent. All voice agent calls get recorded and appear in your Meetings tab. Click Meetings on the left navigation bar, and you'll see voice agent meetings marked with a robot icon. These appear in your All Meetings view as well. Click on any voice agent meeting to see a full summary, transcript, and recording, just like regular meetings. If you used a template like Screening Interview Agent, the meeting will automatically use a hiring-style summary designed for interviews. So you already get structured notes aligned to the type of call you ran. But if you want deeper or more specific insights, you can go a step further with AI skills. You can run it on an existing voice agent call, just enable the app and apply it to that meeting. Or second, you can configure the AI app to run automatically on all future calls. Click on AI Skills in the left sidebar, then go to the Recruiting tab if you're using screening interview agents. You can set up apps like Candidate Feedback, Candidate Scorecard, Candidate Questions, or Candidate Sentiment. Let's click on Candidate Feedback to configure it, for example. Set it to run only on meetings where the title contains Screening Interview. Make sure your voice agent sessions use this exact title. Click Save, then Create Skill. Now, this Candidate Feedback app will automatically run on all interviews with that title and appear in your meeting notes. This way, every new voice agent interview automatically generates structured insights without any manual effort. That's how you set up, run, manage, and scale voice agents in Fireflies, turning repetitive conversations into automated, structured outcomes.